4.0/2024. Practice sheet Zoology. Human reproduction. Single correct type questions 1 to 15. 1. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. This is necessary as 1. The scrotum can contain lengthy ducts for the transfer of sperms. 2. Scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testes necessary for spermatogenesis. 3. Scrotum reduces the pressure around tests necessary for spermatogenesis. 4. Scrotum can store huge amounts of sperms. Sperms. 2. The division of primary oocyte results in 1. Unequal cells, a smaller haploid secondary oocyte and a larger diploid polar body. 2. Unequal cells, a larger haploid secondary oocyte and a smaller haploid polar body. 3. Unequal cells, a smaller diploid secondary oocyte and a larger haploid polar body. 4. Equal cells, a haploid secondary oocyte and a haploid polar body. 3. In the absence of fertilization, corpus luteum. 1. Stops secreting progesterone but increases the secretion of estrogen. 2. Stops secreting estrogen but increases the secretion of progesterone. 3. Increases the secretion of both progesterone and estrogen. 4. Degenerates. Degenerates. 4. At what point does the secondary oocyte complete meiosis? 1. When acrosomal enzymes begin to break down the egg's jelly coat. 2. When the luteinizing hormone triggers ovulation. 3. After it is penetrated by a sperm cell. 4. When the secondary oocyte implants in the endometrium of the uterus. Uterus. 5. In the male human being, sperms contain autosomicent. 1. Only one Y chromosome. 2. Only one X chromosome. 3. Both X and Y chromosome. 4. Either X or Y chromosome. Chromosome. 6. Menstruation is triggered by an abrupt decline in the amount of 1. Estrogen, 2. Progesterone. 3. LH, 4. FSH. FSH. 7. Which of the following order is not correct for the events of human reproduction? 1. Gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization. 2. Fertilization, insemination, gametogenesis. 3. Implantation, gestation, parturition. 4. Insemination, fertilization, implantation. Implantation. 8. Which of the following is wrong? 1. Spermatogonia and Leydig cells are present in seminiferous tubules. 2. Small blood vessels are present along with the Leydig cells. 3. Leydig cells secrete androgens. 4. Sertoli cell provide nutrition to the germ cell. 9. Which of the following is a paired structure? 1. Mons pubis. 2. Clitoris. 3. Womb. 4. Isthmus. 10. 10. Which of the following statements is not regarding mammary gland? 1. A functional mammary gland is characteristic of all male mammals. 2. The mammary glands are paired structures, breasts, that contain glandular tissue and variable amount of fat. 3. Glandular tissue of each breast is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes containing clusters of cells called alveoli. 4. The cells of alveoli secrete milk, which is stored in the cavities lumens of alveoli. 11. Morula continues to divide and transforms into 1. Gastrula, 2. Blastocyst, 3. Argenteron, 4. Blastomers. 12. Blastocyst becomes embedded in the blank underscore of the uterus. This is called underscore 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 and it leads to pregnancy. 1. Perimetrium, gastrulation. 2. Myometrium, implantation. 3. Endometrium, implantation. 4. Perimetrium, implantation. 13. 13. Which of the following groups of hormones produced in women only during pregnancy? 1. HCG, HPL, relaxin. 2. Estrogen, progesterone, HCG. 3. Cortisol, prolactin, thyroxine. 4. Prolactin, progesterone, HCG. 14. The human placenta does not secrete 1. Estrogen, 2. Progesterone, 3. Thyroxine, 4. Human placental lactogen. 15. How many statements given below are correct? I. Relaxin is secreted by the ovary in the later phase of pregnancy. E. Inner cell mass differentiates into ectoderm and endoderm just before implantation. E. Implantation leads to pregnancy. IV. Embryo with 8 to 16 blastomers is called morula. 1 2 2 1 3 4 4 3. Assertion and reason. Type questions 16 to 20. 16. Assertion: formation of sperm takes place in seminiferous tubules of testes. Reason: seminiferous tubules lined with male germ cells and Sertoli cells. 1. Both assertion and reason are correct and reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. 2. Both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. 3. Assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. 4. Assertion is incorrect but reason is correct. 17. Assertion: the menstrual flow results due to breakdown of endometrial lining of the uterus and its blood vessels. Reason: rapid fall in the level of progesterone takes place due to degeneration of corpus luteum. 1. Both assertion and reason are correct and reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. 2. Both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. 3. Assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. 4. Assertion is incorrect but reason is correct. Correct. 18. Assertion: Females do not participate in the determination of the sex of baby. Reason: human female egg has only X chromosomes and human male is heterogametic. 1. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. 2. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. 3. Assertion is correct, but reason is incorrect. 4. Assertion is incorrect, but reason is correct. 19. 19. Assertion: the nucleus of sperm fuses with the nucleus of ovum before the formation of ooted. Reason: diploid nuclear status of organism is essential for its development. 1. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. 2. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. 3. Assertion is correct, but reason is incorrect. 4. Assertion is incorrect, but reason is correct. 20. Assertion: the mammary glands of the female start producing milk just after the process of parturition. Reason: high level of oxytocin induces milk production. 1. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. 2. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. 3. Assertion is correct, but reason is incorrect. 4. Assertion is incorrect, but reason is correct. Correct. Matrix match type questions 21 to 25. 21. Match list I with list 2. List I. List 2. A. Acrosome. I. Gonadotropin. B. Corpus luteum. 2. Hyaluronidase. C. Leydig cells. 3. Estrogen. D. Hypothalamus. IV. Testosterone. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3 IIV. 2, 2, 3 IVI. 3, 3, 2 IVI. 4, 3, 2 IIV. 22. Match the column. Column I. Column 2. A. Head. I. Enzymes. B. Middle piece. E. Sperm motility. C. Acrosome. E. Energy. D. Tail. IV. Genetic material. A B C D. 1 EIVIE. 2 IVEIE. 3 IVIE. 4 EIEIV. 23. 23. Match the list I with list 2. List I. List 2. A. Inguinal canal. I. Network of seminiferous tubules. B. Rete testis. 2. Secondary sexual character. C. Leydig cells. 3. For descending of testis. D. Prepuce. IV. Dorsal bundles of muscles. A. Corpora cavernosa. V. Terminal skin of penis. A B C D A. 1 I23 IVV. 2 23 IVVI. 3 3I2 versus IV. 4 IVVI23. 24. Match the columns and find the correct combination. Column I. Column 2. A. hypothalamus. I. Sperm license. B. Acrosome. E. Estrogen. C. Graafian follicle. E. Relaxin. D. Leydig cells. IV. GnRH. A. Parturition. V. Testosterone. ABCDA. 1. EIIBEB. 2. IBIE versus E. 3. EIBIBE. 4. IBIEB. 25. Match the items of column I with those in column 2. Column I. Column 2. A. FSH. I. Prepare endometrium. B. LH. E. Develops female secondary sexual characters. C. Progesterone. E. Contraction of uterine wall. D. Estrogen. IV. Development of corpus luteum. V. Maturation of Graafian follicle. ABCD. 1. EEVI. 2. VIVIE. 3. IIBEB. 4. IBE versus E. PW web app. https://smart.link/7